Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel Sonia Space, and in today's video I'm going to be making a healthy smoothie that is very good for our liver and intestine. If you want to know how I make this video, I want you to subscribe to my channel, like this video and keep watching. Ginger is very good for our intestine and liver because it helps to cut down fermentation, constipation and other causes of bloating and intestinal gas. It helps to repair the wear and tear of cells, and it also contains antioxidants, which is very good for our body. The next item I have is orange. Orange is very good for the body because it contains vitamin C, which has a lot of health benefits. Orange also helps to boost our body's immune system, which helps to protect us against viruses and germs. Orange also helps to fight against inflammation that can help to reduce asthma and cancer. Also, here is lemon. Lemon is an excellent source of vitamin C, and it is an antioxidant that helps to remove free radicals that can damage the cells in our body. And this nutrient can help to prevent diseases and help to boost our health and well-being. Apple is a good source of nutrients including fiber, vitamin C and antioxidants, which can help to support healthy digestion, brain health and weight management. And there are evidences that apple can also help to protect against certain chronic diseases including cancer, heart disease and type 2 diabetes. And also here is our superfood carrots. Carrots are full of benefits. They help to improve immunity and boost brain health. They also help to regulate blood pressure and reduce heart disease. They also help to lower the risk of cancer and also help to manage our weight. They are also good for healthy vision and also help to balance our blood sugar, so they are very good for our bodies. So these ingredients all mixed together helps to remove toxins from our body and also helps to balance our body system. So this smoothie is very good to remove toxins from the body and also good for our liver and intestine. It also helps to reduce inflammations in the body. Think about it, it also is full and it is loaded with benefits. So if you add this drink to your daily diet, you will be thankful that you did, because you will be able to get all the loads of benefits that is in this drink. So this is the end of this video. I hope you learned a thing or two. Until we meet again in my next one, stay blessed and have a nice day. Bye bye.